Hi and welcome to this video. आज का टॉपिक है when I don't like myself, which is very closely related to the core that I talk about in almost my every video, the concept or topic that my work revolves around, which is having an unhealthy relationship with oneself. Okay, so उसका basic यही होता है that when if I share an unhealthy relationship with myself, it means that the way I think, feel about myself is not healthy. It is not in good sense. मतलब कि माई सेल्फ इमेज, माई सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट, मेरी जो सेल्फ बिलीफ है खुद को लेकर, वो उतने अच्छे नहीं है. उसका बेसिक थॉट क्या होता है, बेसिक डोमिनेंट फीलिंग क्या होगी इफ आई हैव एन अनहेल्दी रिलेशनशिप विद माई सेल्फ, दैट आई डोंट लाइक माई सेल्फ. सो आज का जो वीडियो है, here I am going to help you understand that what exactly happens when I am living with such a feeling or this thing is very dominant in my system that I don't like myself. So it is not something that I'm repeating in my head all the time, but it is something that every situation in my life ends up concluding me to. So मेरी लाइफ में कुछ भी हो रहा है, at the end the thing that I'm feeling in my body, in my system is that what, I don't like myself. So every situation in my life is leading me to feel this way, and hence every second this thing keeps getting more and more intense and dominant in my body. And that is why having awareness, doing the inner work and doing something about it, or working on your unhealthy relationship with yourself to build a healthy relationship with yourself is important. Because if we don't do something about it, we will not get out of this loop. And so today I'm basically going to help you see or become aware of a very vicious loop that we end up into when we are this person, when we have an unhealthy relationship with ourselves. Okay, so it's going to be very crisp, very to the point video, and very eye opening, I would say. Okay, so I think let's start. And if you're new here, I am a trained life coach, and I help people go from having an unhealthy relationship with themselves, where they don't like themselves, where they get to live its impact every second because they don't feel good in themselves. They can feel its impact, their confidence gets impacted, and all those things, to a place where you feel comfortable in yourself, where you understand yourself, where you know yourself better, and where you finally start to like who you are. You start to feel comfortable in your own body, which means that you start to feel comfortable and confident in your own self, that you start to realize your own power, and you come back to your own self, and you start to prioritize yourself in your life and feel good in your body. Okay, so let's start. So ये जो मैंने बोला ना कि आज के वीडियो में आई एम बेसिकली गोइंग टू मेक यू ट्रैवल अ जर्नी और मेक यू कवर अ लूप. वो लूप जो एग्जिस्ट करता है when this is dominant in my body, things that start happening, a trap that I get, a loop that I get trapped into. So let's start. So starting यहीं से होती है, जाहिर सी बात है. So this is me, right? This is us. सबसे पहले क्या हो रहा है, 1 मैंने ये मार्क किया. सो सी यहाँ पर मैंने कोर शो किया है. कोर, आई ऑलवेज टॉक इन माई वीडियोज दैट एवरी ह्यूमन, ऑल ऑफ अस, एक वो चीज़ कहते हैं ना, यू डोंट हैव अ स्पाइन. करेज को लेकर जब कहते हैं करेज और ब्रेवरी की बात आती है, तो सो वो जो स्पाइन की बात होती है, सो आई वॉन्ट यू टू सी दिस एज कोर. तो हम सबका एक कोर सेंटर होता है. इट्स नॉट, आई एम नॉट हियर टॉकिंग अबाउट बायोलॉजी और बॉडी. आई वॉन्ट यू टू फील इट, इमेजिन इट. सो वी ऑल हैव अ कोर, राइट? उस कोर को हम कुछ भी कह सकते हैं. फाउंडेशन आई हैव, माई सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट, माई सेल्फ इमेज, द वे आई फील, थिंक, द वे आई फील एंड थिंक अबाउट माई ओन सेल्फ. तो ये हमारा कोर है. बट प्लीज नोटिस कि यहाँ पर वो कोर ऐसे नॉर्मल सर्कल में नहीं बना है जो जनरली मैं बनाती हूँ. जैसे कि इफ दिस इज अदर पीपल एंड सपोज दिस पर्सन हैज अ हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप विद देमसेल्व्स, उनका हेल्दी कोर है, तो दिस विल बी लाइक सर्कल. ठीक है, वो बहुत ही प्लेन सर्कल होगा. बट यहाँ पर प्लीज नोटिस कि एक बहुत ही शैटर्ड सा मतलब एक शैटर्ड सा फिगर बना है. वाई? बिकॉज दिस पर्सन हियर, बिकॉज आई, व्हेन आई हैव एन अनहेल्दी रिलेशनशिप विद माई सेल्फ, मेरा जो कोर है, इट इज हाउ इज दैट कोर? इट इज वेरी शैटर्ड एंड अनस्टेबल कोर. तो मेरा जो कोर है वो बहुत ही शैटर्ड है और अनस्टेबल है. ओके, सो इट्स नॉट स्टेबल, इट्स नॉट देयर इंटैक्ट, इट इज वेरी हाई, इट इज हाईली अनस्टेबल, मतलब इधर उधर हिल जा रहा है. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट दिस कोर इज अबाउट, व्हाट इज इनसाइड दिस कोर. यहाँ पर देखो, हमने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट वी हैव जूम्ड इनटू इट. और या फिर मैं कह सकती हूँ मेरा इंटरनल स्पेस, मतलब मेरे अंदर क्या चलता है. हम सबकी दो दुनिया होती है, एक होता है इंटरनल वर्ल्ड, एक होता है एक्सटर्नल वर्ल्ड. एक्सटर्नल वर्ल्ड में अदर्स कम इनटू प्लेस, मतलब मैं दुनिया को देख रहा हूँ, हाउ अदर पीपल आर बीइंग विद मी, अदर पीपल्स बिहेवियर, मतलब बेसिकली अदर पीपल, व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन माई वर्ल्ड, माई जॉब, माई रिलेशनशिप, वो मेरे आउटर वर्ल्ड आता है. एंड दिस इज माई इंटरनल वर्ल्ड, लाइक व्हाट इज गोइंग इनसाइड मी. मेरे अंदर भी एक दुनिया होती है. सो हियर दिस कोर इज नथिंग बट अबाउट व्हाट इज इनसाइड मी. सो लेट्स एक्सप्लोर दिस, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर इन दिस सिचुएशन व्हेन आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग द पर्सन दैट आई एम. सो ओके, सो दिस पर्सन हियर, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इनसाइड हिम, what is the environment, what is his internal environment most of the time, what are statements or what is this person feeling most of the time. So dominant thoughts or dominant statements that keep revolving, और फिर जो इसकी सेल्फ टॉक होगा वो कैसा होगा, that I'm not a good person. And you know, these are the things that this person genuinely believes into. इसके life experiences ऐसे रहे हैं, and this person gets to witness it. This person has the evidence of all these things, that you know what, I'm not a good person, I'm not good enough, people are so much better than me. So this is how this person actually looks at his world. मतलब इसका world view ये है that people are so much better than me, nobody really likes me, and all these things. Okay, so what are, so and I hope now you can understand why this core is so shattered and unstable. Because see the kind of thoughts I'm having here, and this person is genuinely believing into these things, that you know what, I am not a good person. And if I ask this person that, okay, why do you think you're not a good person, this person will have reason. They will have their own statement. They will have the explanation to it, that you know what, I'm not a good person because I make people unhappy. I always, you know, end up ruining things. I can't do things right. Not good enough. Okay, why do you think you're not good enough? This person will have the reason. They will have the evidence. They will have the reason, that okay, explanation why I believe I'm not good enough. So for this person, this is the reality. For them, this is who they truly are. So it does not matter in reality how this person is. It will not matter how his performance is in his college or in his workplace. It will not matter. अगर ये top का performance है इसके work space पे या फिर इसके studies में, it will not matter, because दूसरे इसको कैसी भी नजर से देख रहे हैं. बट इंटरनली हाउ इज ही, व्हाट डज ही थिंक? ही थिंक्स दैट आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ. एंड इसका एक और व्यू क्या है, दैट पीपल आर सो मच बेटर देन मी. सो इन हिज आईज अदर पीपल आर ऑलवेज बेटर देन हिम. अदर पीपल आर ऑलवेज गुड, बेटर देन हिम, अबव हिम. एंड लास्ट इवेंट, नोबडी रियली लाइक्स मी. सो मैंने सिर्फ अभी 3-4 पॉइंट्स शो किए. यहाँ पर यू कैन एड ऑन टू दीज थिंग्स, एंड व्हेन यू आर दिस पर्सन यू विल नो व्हाट आर द काइंड ऑफ how you are actually feeling most of the times, and you will know the statements that you believe into. You will know how it feels. So and because my core contains such unhelpful negative thoughts about myself, which does not make me feel good, because see, if I'm thinking these things, how am I going to feel at the end of the day? I am never going to feel confident. I'm going to feel very highly underconfident. I'm going to feel so much weak, so much, you know, like a coward person. I'm not going to like the person that I am, because ये सारे मेरे अंदर जब थॉट्स हैं, तो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू फील गुड इन माई सेल्फ. आई एम गोइंग टू फील हाईली अनकंफर्टेबल, हाईली स्केर्ड, हाईली इंफीरियर इन माई ओन सेल्फ. ठीक है, तो ये होता है. एंड व्हेन आई हैव सच थॉट्स, व्हेन माई इंटरनल इन्वायरमेंट लुक्स लाइक दिस, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? सी, मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा 2. इट इज बिल्डिंग माई आइडेंटिटी. ये मेरी आइडेंटिटी बिल्ड कर रहा है. ओके, आइडेंटिटी इज नथिंग बट हाउ माई कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ माई ओन सेल्फ, द वे आई सी माई सेल्फ. इट इज बिल्डिंग माई आइडेंटिटी. उससे क्या हो रहा है, मतलब दिस ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर मेकिंग मी इनटू दिस पर्सन हु हैज अ वेरी शैटर्ड एंड अनस्टेबल कोर. ठीक है, सो ये अगर मैं यहाँ पर हूँ, इफ आई एम दिस पर्सन, आई डोंट, दैट आई हु डजंट लाइक देमसेल्फ. व्हाई इट इज सो? बिकॉज इसका इंटरनल इन्वायरमेंट ऐसा है. इट डज नॉट मैटर हाउ इज एक्सटर्नल इन्वायरमेंट इज, वो बाहर से कैसा दिखता है, इसकी परफॉर्मेंस कैसी है, इट डज नॉट मैटर. ये अंदर क्या है, दैट मैटर्स. दिस इज वॉट इवेंचुअली एंड्स अप बिल्डिंग दिस पर्सन्स आइडेंटिटी, वेयर इन इसका जो कोर है वो शैटर्ड है. ठीक है, शैटर्ड है एंड अनस्टेबल है. नाउ सेकंड थिंग that happens here when we are this person, when I don't like myself, second thing that ends up happening is unacceptance for the self. तो यहाँ पर when I am this person, I will not accept myself, or I will not be able to accept myself. See, because why? Because see here, I want you to understand this way. So if I bring you another person who is actually not a good person, and they are actually not good enough, and you know all these things are true for them, so you really don't like that, you truly don't like that person, and that person is truly not a good person, will you accept that person? No, because see, so it's about how I see myself. मेरे खुद को लेकर इमेज क्या है, बिलीव्स क्या है, व्यू क्या है. तो यहाँ पर बिकॉज दिस इज हाउ आई एम सीइंग माई सेल्फ, दैट आई एम एक्चुअली नॉट अ गुड पर्सन, आई एम एक्चुअली नॉट गुड इनफ. तो I will never be able to accept myself, because for acceptance to be there, I need to like who I am, I need to understand myself, I need to like the person that I am. But यहाँ पर वो हो ही नहीं रहा है. I just don't like the person that I am. So ये common है. I will have unacceptance for myself. But यहाँ पर problem है. The moment I start to not accept myself, या फिर मुझे कभी वो acceptance मिली ही नहीं है, that today the person that I am, I'm not able to accept myself. Next thing that happens is I start to seek that acceptance from outside, from other people, because acceptance तो मेरी एक need है. Every human wants to be accepted, wants to feel that I belong to the people, wants to feel validated, and to be a part of, to have connection, to feel good. Everybody wants to be connected. Everybody wants to be accepted and feel that people want to be with me, and all of these things. So when it is not here, when I am unable to accept myself, I am going to seek that acceptance from other places. यहाँ पर वो other places क्या होते हैं, other people. So अब यहाँ पर क्या होता है ना, now I start to depend on my external environment, that is other people, to accept myself. So यहाँ पर internally हो क्या रहा है, I don't like the person that I am, because of which I don't feel good in my body. So now I'm going to depend on other people to make me feel good about my own self. Matlab, somewhere there will be this desire that okay, I need to be, or I need to be in certain way, I need to act in certain way that these people think good of me, so that these people think good of me and tell me, give me good feedback that you are very good, you're very intelligent, you're such a good person, we are very nice. अब ये डिज़ायर में, इस डिज़ायर में दैट आई वॉन्ट टू बी इन अ सर्टन वे, और आई वॉन्ट टू act in certain way that these people like me, that these people admire me, that these people think good of me, I end up becoming or end up doing people pleasing. Because see, if I'm depending on what 100 other people are thinking of me, I am going to act or take action or behave in my life considering them. मतलब जो भी मैं करूँगी, कोई भी एक्शन लूँगी अपनी लाइफ में, it will be in my mind what is the priority, that these people should be happy from it, that these people should think good of me. So here it's no more about me or what I want, it's about whatever I do, how is it going, what kind of image is it going to create of mine in these people's head. So I am more concerned about them and how they are seeing me than my own self. So more than what I want, it is how what is my image in their head, how they want me to be. I need to be perfect here, I need to be very good, so that these people like me, and so that these people like me and accept me. So basically the acceptance मुझे नहीं मिल पाई, so I want these people to accept me. और यहाँ पर कोई, this will never end. I have drawn just 3 people. It can be 10, 15, 100, every person you meet, every person you come across on social media. There will be this desire that I want this person to like me, I want this person to accept me. And now you know why there is this desire. Because I somewhere do not accept myself. पर उससे मेरे अंदर एक नीड है that I want to feel accepted, I want to be liked, I want to feel like I belong, that I want to feel validated. वो नहीं खत्म हो जाती है, वो फिर भी वही रहती है. So when I'm not providing that acceptance to myself, it will happen automatically that I am going to seek that acceptance from other, which will make me people please. Eventually, something that is not helping me, because people pleasing never helps, because it's like neglecting your own self and prioritizing other people. It's like choosing to live your life for other, trying to impress them when they don't even care about it, they are not even aware of it that you're doing that. Okay, so now next move to the 4th part of this loop, that what happens here जब हम यहाँ पे acceptance seek करते हैं, तो what comes from there. ऐसे so यहाँ पे मैंने ड्रॉ किया है, this is us, ठीक है. तो जब हमारे अंदर डिजायर आती है that I want to seek acceptance, or I have to seek acceptance from others now to live my life, वहाँ से एक डिजायर क्या पैदा होती है that okay, I need to be perfect. Because यहाँ पर to seek acceptance मेरे हेड में क्या है, that see the kind of person that I am, people will never accept me for that, because see I know who I am in truth, right? मुझे पता है कि मैं कौन हूँ, मैं ये सब हूँ. So I have rejected myself. So if other people also get to see the real me, they're going to reject me. So what is the solution or way to seek acceptance from other people, or to make other people accept me, that I need to be different, I need to be better, I need to be perfect. मतलब I need to be anything but myself. मतलब मुझे अपने ट्रू सेल्फ, ऑथेंटिक सेल्फ को छिपाना है, बिकॉज आई नो दैट आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ. क्योंकि मैंने खुद को एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया, तो दूसरे क्यों मुझे एक्सेप्ट करेंगे. सो व्हाट इज द कंक्लूजन दैट आई कम टू, दैट आई नीड टू बी परफेक्ट, आई नीड टू एक्ट, आई नीड टू हाइड माई रियल सेल्फ, एंड आई नीड टू बी अ परफेक्ट पर्सन सो दैट दीज पीपल एक्सेप्ट मी. ठीक है, तो वहाँ से ये डिजायर पैदा होती है. नाउ व्हेन आई से दैट आई नीड टू बी परफेक्ट, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. जब मैं कहती हूँ ना आई नीड टू बी परफेक्ट, हम अपने इमेज में एक इमेज क्रिएट कर लेते हैं, आइडियल सेल्फ इमेज. व्हाट इज दिस, मैंने ये पेडेस्टल पे खड़ा किया. पेडेस्टल पे यानी कि समथिंग दैट इज अनअचीवेबल, समथिंग बहुत ही अनरियलिस्टिक, बहुत आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड चीज मैं ड्रॉ कर लेता हूँ अपने माइंड में. हम एक इमेज क्रिएट करते हैं, आइडियल सेल्फ इमेज, दैट दिस इज हाउ आई नीड टू बी, दिस इज आइडियल सेल्फ. और यहाँ पे ये हाईली अनरियलिस्टिक होता है. और ये पेडेस्टल पे इसलिए क्योंकि वी मेक इट आर एवरीथिंग, वी मेक इट आर गोल इन लाइफ कि आई नीड टू बी दिस पर्सन. सो ये कैसा होगा, this can be a person who's a billionaire, who is making out of the world money, जो बिल्कुल टॉप पे है वर्क पे, जो बिल्कुल बेस्ट दिखता है, हैज द बेस्ट बॉडी, मतलब एकदम टॉप लेवल की चीज होना चाहिए. मतलब बट एट द एंड द ट्रूथ इज दैट द इमेज वी क्रिएट इन आवर हेड इज हाईली अनरियलिस्टिक. बिकॉज यहाँ पे पता है हमारे कंडीशंस क्या होंगे, दैट दिस पर्सन नेवर मेक्स मिस्टेक्स, दे आर सो फ्लुएंट इन इंग्लिश, दे स्पीक सो वेल, they are best at everything, they never make mistake. So all these unrealistic things, यहाँ पर कहीं ना कहीं हम परफेक्शन सीख कर रहे हैं. So हमारी जो डिजायर है, I have to be this person to be accepted, और I need to be this person, ये बहुत ही अनरियलिस्टिक है. और कहीं ना कहीं हमारे एक परफेक्शनिस्ट, मतलब our desire to be perfection, or somewhere we're seeking perfection by wanting to be like this person, or by creating this ideal self image in our head, something. And because this is unrealistic, और फिर यहाँ पे जब when we have created this image in our head, what is going to happen is that I am going to judge myself every second of life because this is unrealistic image, right? क्योंकि इसका एक condition होगा that this person never makes mistakes, they're top, they're best at everything, they know everything in this world, they are just perfect people. So when I have such a condition for my own self to be accepted, to be liked, so क्या होगा कि in every second in life, because nobody is like this, right? So I am going to like never measure up to it, ठीक है? So every time I fall short from this, like every time I do something wherein I am not this person, like अगर मैं कोई गलती कर रहा हूँ अपनी लाइफ में, or if I'm messing up things, or if I'm not this perfect person and I get to see it, see I did that again, what is happening? I'm going to beat myself up. That toxic or harsh or critical inner voice is going to show up. I'm going to beat myself up that see, I'm not a good person, can't do anything right, not good enough, people are so much better than me. So this is how I start to see world. This is what starts to happen. So यहाँ पर see मैंने क्या लिखा है? Every time I fail to be this person, what is happening? Feeds shame. This entire thing that's happening, it feeds shame into me, which shows up how? It feeds shame, यानी कि यहाँ पर और मेरे नेगेटिव बिलीव्स बनते रहते हैं खुद को लेकर, या फिर जो मेरी एग्जिस्टिंग नेगेटिव बिलीव्स है उसकी इंटेंसिटी, उसका जो ग्रास्प है मेरे बॉडी में, मेरे सिस्टम में, वो और स्ट्रॉन्ग होते रहते हैं, यानी कि आई एंड अप बिलीविंग मोर इनटू दिस थिंग दैट आई एम एक्चुअली नॉट गुड इनफ, व्हाट, आई कांट डू थिंग्स राइट. And again, because I have these, because shame is being fed into my system because of this loop constantly, what is happening? जो मेरी आइडेंटिटी है, जो मेरा कोर है, वो और अनशैटर्ड, वो और अनस्टेबल हो जा रहा है until unless we first is we become aware of this loop, that okay, this is happening, this is true, this is what is happening when I'm not liking myself, when my relationship with myself is unhealthy. And second, you do the work, you work here, you explore this thing, you do inner work here so that you can bring a change, you can bring a transformation, and you can cut this loop, you can literally cut this loop. Because अभी ये क्या हो रहा है, ये पूरा फीड कर रहा है इसको, it is feeding the shame. So when I'm this person, when I do not accept myself because I don't like the person I am, I have a desire to be accepted by others, और उस चक्कर में I end up creating, or I end up having a desire that I want to be perfect. I end up having a lot of expectation from my own self that okay, I need to be this way, I need to never make mistake, I need to be perfect, and I need to be perfect at this thing, I need to score best in in this entire college or entire wing, or I need to end up in this job with this much salary and money and all those things. We end up creating so much, we end up expecting so much from ourselves, and every time we fall any short of it, which in reality is truth. Nobody is perfect, right? Everybody messes up, everybody makes mistakes. In fact, that is the journey to actually that is the journey to actually achieving anything in life. Allowing yourself to fail, allowing yourself to make mistakes, learn, improve, and then give another attempt. But यहाँ पर वो हो ही नहीं पाता है, because every time I'm failing, I'm hurting myself. I'm bringing in that critical voice that see, I can't do anything, which is nothing but I'm feeding myself the shame. And the more shame I feed myself, the more I lose my confidence, the more I do not accept myself. और confidence यहीं से आता है. So see how this unacceptance for self is actually impacting you, and it is even right now when you're choosing not to do something about it, it is feeding you shame. It is actually intensifying this unacceptance you have for yourself right now. Okay, so now let's talk about the solution part. Okay, what needs to happen? How do I break out of this loop? What do I do? How can I help myself, or how can I go from this position where I do not like myself to a place where I start to like myself, so that I start to accept myself? So see, in this entire loop, इसका origin point क्या है? This, right? मैं हूँ origin point, जहाँ पर wherein a truth is that I am not able to accept myself, मतलब कि, and why is unacceptance here? Because of this, my internal environment, the way I'm thinking and feeling, my core. So मतलब इस पूरे लूप को जो बर्थ कर रहा है, जो इस पूरे लूप का जो ओरिजिन पॉइंट है, वो ये है कहीं ना कहीं हम एंड हमारा इंटरनल वर्ल्ड, द वे आई एम थिंकिंग एंड फीलिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ, विच इज माई कोर पार्ट. ठीक है, तो मतलब द वर्क दैट नीड्स टू हैपन, द इंटरवेंशन, लाइक वेयर वी नीड टू इंटरवीन इज दिस पार्ट 1 and 2, जस्ट दिस वन. जैसे ही हम इस पे वर्क करेंगे, ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स विल स्टार्ट फॉलिंग डाउन. क्योंकि सी, द मोमेंट आई स्टार्ट टू एक्सेप्ट माई सेल्फ, और वो कैसे आएगा? व्हेन दीज थॉट्स आर, व्हेन ये जो मेरी प्री एग्जिस्टिंग थॉट्स है, when these get demolished, मतलब I stop believing into these things. I genuinely start to stop believing that that I'm not a good person. No, I stop, मतलब ये जो मेरे थॉट है, जो बहुत ही इनकी पूरी बिल्डिंग बन चुकी है मेरे इंटरनल वर्ल्ड में, मेरे हेड में, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग बिल्डिंग्स. So first what needs to happen is that I need to demolish these buildings. And how do we do that? How do we come to a point where I actually stop believing these things, that this is not true. ये जो statement है ना, that I'm not good enough, that I've been believing into for so long, this is actually not true. and this thing that people are so much better than me, that I'm not enough, ये सही नहीं है, ये सच नहीं है. How do we come to demolish these thoughts? By doing inner work. मतलब see, this is something that is very strong in my system right now, and there's a reason why I'm believing into these things. और ये सारी चीजें सबके लिए different होंगी, सबके लिए different statements होंगी. But the fact remains कि हम सबके जो reason है that I have come to believe into these things is going to be different. And for that is why you do inner work. मतलब that is why you, instead of trying to use hacks or tips or tricks which do not work because it is not catering you, it is not catering your system, you do this, you do inner work, you do sit with these thoughts, you do coaching or therapy so that you can bring out these thoughts, you can work on them, you can go to the root level of it, that if I'm believing into this, why am I believing into this, so that you can come to a point where you have processed these thoughts, so that you generally come to a point where you stop believing into this, where you allow yourself to not believe into this, and slowly the building of these thoughts start to demolish. और जब ये demolish होने लगता है, then again, because you're working on yourself, you begin to form new, positive, much empowering beliefs about your own self. Again, how? By doing things differently in your life, and by that point you will allow yourself to do things differently in your life, plus the lens from which you see yourself will also change. So you will automatically start to find the good and positive in your own self. Okay? And the moment slowly we start to change these things, that you start to feel, you start to form beliefs that, you know what, I'm good enough person, and I'm enough just as I am, and there's nothing else that people are so much better than me. We all are unique in our own way, and people like me, people like who I am. Not all, but my people like me. Okay? So we are no more seeking perfection, but here our thoughts have turned empowering. Thoughts have turned to like the type where it does not make me feel good. So it's no more that I don't like the person that I am. So I will have thoughts which actually makes me like myself, wherein I start to like the person that I am. And the moment that happens, जब वो होगा, so I will start to accept myself. मेरे अंदर वो acceptance आ जाएगी. So I will no more be running away from my own self. I will no more be having, I will no more be hating on myself for being the kind of person that I am. I will start to accept myself. मतलब I will start to feel comfortable being in my body or being the person that I am, and I will start to like the life that I have as well. Because if I don't like the person that I am, I'm going to hate everything about my life as well. So the moment change happens here and here, पहले यहाँ होगा, because of which change will come here. The moment acceptance starts to happen, the moment I start to accept myself, the moment I start to feel comfortable in my own body, ये desire मेरी खत्म हो जाएगी. I will stop feeling this need that I need to seek acceptance from other. उससे क्या होगा, that I will stop depending on these people to feel good about my own self. I will stop needing these people in my life, or needing their judgment or approval to feel good in myself. And the moment I stop depending on them, this will break off. There will no need to be perfect. And the moment this breaks off, I will demolish that ideal self that I've created in my head. Instead, what will happen? I will start to accept the way I am. There will be, I will have this, desire or space for improvement always, that I always want to be a better person. But actually, at least I will no more be over expecting from my own self. In fact, when I make mistake here, I will allow myself to make mistake. I will be more kinder and accepting of my own self. I will accept myself. I will allow myself to make mistake. Making a mistake will not mean that I'm not good enough as a person. So everything will start to change once things change here, my core. And the moment you start to build a healthy relationship with yourself, things will start to change. And how you do that? You do that through inner work. Inner work when you start to work on what is inside you, on your thoughts, on your dominant thoughts and feelings. And that is the work I do. Okay, I help you. I already told you, I help you build a healthy relationship with your own self, wherein you start to understand the person that you are. You start to look at yourself differently. Your beliefs, the way you see yourself, the way you genuinely think about yourself start to change. And ये immediate नहीं होता है. I'm not saying that something will happen or you will have to do affirmation. No. In a session, what happens is that you bring out what is inside you, and in the presence of other person, the one who is facilitating the session, like me, you learn to process it. So we actually process these things, because see, something happened that I'm believing into these things today, और इसका grasp बहुत strong है. So just because I say that, okay, I'm no longer going to believe into these things, ऐसा नहीं हो जाएगा. You need to process it. You need to let these things come to the surface, and then it gets the release from your body. So that is what happens in a session when you do inner work, when you sit with yourself, when you choose to bring out all the unhelpful things which is inside your system, and you choose to process it so that it can find an out from your own body. And the moment this leaves, better positive things will start to come into your system, which will eventually make you feel acceptance for your own self, which will actually change your core from this to a very, to a very firm and, stable core. And this firm and stable core is what will make you feel comfortable and confident in your own self, जिससे कि जो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कोई हमें क्या कह के जा रहा है. I will not start my entire world will not start shaking on based on what is coming from outside, what comment or words they're throwing my way, because I will have a very strong and, stable and, firm self concept, self image or core. So I will feel very firm in myself. I will have my own thoughts and views about my own self, which is positive, which will be empowering. So I will feel very confident in who I am. Alright guys, I'll keep it to here, and if you relate to this, if you want to work on yourself, if you want to explore more about, okay, how do you build a healthy relationship with your own self, or if you want to talk about what you feel, what is happening in your life, how this thing is happening in your life, go ahead, book a free session with me. My first clarity calls are free right now. All you have to do is go to my description or comment. You'll find my contact number there, WhatsApp contact number. Go and DM me session, and yeah, I'll see you in the session. All right, bye bye.